Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to edit the location of your Craigslist post. Let's get started. Once you are signed in, click on My Computer at the top left corner of the page. This will take you to your account dashboard where all your posts are listed. Go to Settings and in Default Site, choose the location that you want to apply. Once you select the location, then click on Change button. Now wait for some time and your default site is changed. But wait! There is another quick way to do this. Just go to the right hand side of the page. You will see various options listed there. Now choose any one location. Select the new location you want to set for your post. And that's it. Your Craigslist post now has been updated location. Easy peasy, right? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like, share and subscribe button for more informative content. Thanks for watching and happy posting.